What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this simple everyday makeup look in less than like 15 minutes, like literally. This is probably like one of the quickest and easiest like no makeup looks that I've done on myself. Y'all know that I'm not really that good with makeup, so yeah, this tutorial is very beginner friendly because I'm still learning myself. Thank you to Merit Beauty for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be using all of their products in this quick tutorial, so yeah, let's jump right into it. Alright, so first things first, I went ahead and did my eyebrows using my favorite eyebrow pencil. My eyebrows actually need to be shaped up right now, but I'm in the process of growing them back because lately I've just been liking the more hairy, bushy look, you know. And I also went ahead and sprayed some mattifying setting spray in place of primer because I'm out of primer right now. Here are my products from Merit Beauty, and let me just tell you guys, I am obsessed with this packaging. It's so minimal and sleek. It just makes me feel like I'm adding a touch of luxury to my everyday lifestyle, which is definitely one of my goals right now. I want to look and feel my best every single day. The first products I'm going to be using today is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. I got this complexion stick in the shade Chestnut to be used as an overall foundation. The consistency of this complexion stick is very thick and creamy, and as you can see, it glides on really smoothly, and I'm just applying it to all the areas that I would typically wear a foundation in. I decided I wanted to go for a medium coverage with this foundation stick, so I added quite a few swatches this time. Typically on a daily basis, I would just do one layer for a more natural look. To blend out the complexion stick, I'm going to be using this Merit Beauty blending brush. Now, oh my gosh, y'all, I am obsessed with how light and feathery this brush is, and it blends the foundation like seamlessly. This is definitely a high quality blending brush, and it's not too big or small, and I feel like it just literally blends out this complexion stick to perfection. Here's the first side of my face after I'm done blending, and as you guys can see, it just blended out so perfectly and so evenly after only that first layer. So I'm going to go ahead and blend out the other side of my face, and I feel like I actually got lucky with this complexion stick because I picked these products out online and I just so happened to pick the perfect shade for my skin tone. So here's the complexion stick all blended out. I feel like this is the perfect base for some concealer, so I actually got the complexion stick in another shade which is called Buff. I got this specifically to use as a concealer. I also want to note that this brand does not have a specific foundation or a specific concealer. These complexion sticks are meant to replace both foundation and concealer. So this shade is actually about 3 or 4 shades lighter than my skin tone. Yo, I wear glasses, so I have like these bags under my eyes and I'm always looking tired, so I like to have a concealer that's a few shades lighter to help brighten up my under eyes and a few other places on my face. And I'm using one of my regular brushes to blend out this concealer, well, this complexion stick. And if I wanted to make this process even quicker, I could have added this concealer on at the same time as the foundation stick. I didn't do it that way because I wanted to put emphasis on each different product, and I don't feel like putting foundation on under your concealer makes a difference, so most of the time I put these products on at the same time and I blend them out together. And as I'm blending out the concealer, I focus more on the area right above my cheeks, and I work my way up right under my eyes. I don't blend as much directly under my eyes because I want this area to appear to be brighter so that I can look more alive. And please ignore my hair. You guys are going to get to see me do my hair at the end of this video. I usually do it before, but I just didn't this time. Comment down below if you guys like to do your hair before or after your makeup. And right now I'm just using a softer brush to blend everything together, and then I'm going to go in with the cheek tint. I got this cheek tint in the shade Mood, which is more of a soft burgundy color. This is basically sort of like a creamy blush. I applied it right on my cheekbones and it glides on just as easily as the complexion stick does. I applied a decent amount just to add some color back into my cheeks so I don't look as washed out, and I used a blending brush to blend that out. And as I was blending, I kind of blended a little bit into my nose just to add a little more color there. And I kind of feel like this cheek tint can double as an eyeshadow or even as a lip tint, but it does blend smoothly into the complexion stick. So next, to touch up my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the volumizing brow pomade. It's in this sleek gold tube and I got the shade Soft Black. As I mentioned earlier, I've been really into having hairy eyebrows, so this definitely gives my eyebrows more volume and it fluffs them out for a more natural looking eyebrow. My eyebrow hairs are longer right now, so this is going to help to keep them in place. Now I'm going to go in with the mascara. Now this mascara is actually like one of my favorite mascaras right now. It makes my eyelashes look so long. It definitely is a lengthening mascara, and it lifts your eyelashes with no smudging, definitely no clumps or anything like that, which is perfect. And before I apply the lip tint, I like to just give a little lip liner on my lips because my lips are like kind of on the thinner side, so I cannot just skip the liner. Now let's talk about this lip tint. I absolutely love this. I got it in the color Pink Beats. Now my lips are like a naturally ashy shade of pink. This lip color just makes my lips like a really pretty natural pink, which I love. Alright you guys, so I know my hair was kind of like all over the place throughout this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair really quickly before I show you guys the final makeup look. I had no idea what to do with my hair, so I kind of just, you know, made it do what it do, and this is the final look, you guys. I absolutely in love with this. This is definitely like my everyday go-to look. It's really easy, really simple. Simplicity has just been everything to me lately, especially when it comes to my makeup, even my wardrobe. I've just been really keeping everything on the more simple, minimalistic side. So yeah, this is the finished product, you guys. I absolutely love how it turned out, and I literally love these products. Like, they are so lightweight. I don't even feel like I'm wearing makeup right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you get subscribed.